Hi, welcome back. So today we are doing our February PR unboxing video. So the first one I got from Nasty Gal. I guess it's weird. I already opened it, so I'm gonna show you guys some products that they sent out to me. Let's get started. Alright, so first, this is one of them right here. This is our cute little Nasty Gal haul, which will have its own separate video. So I'm not gonna put everything that I got from Nasty Gal in this video because it's gonna be a separate video if you guys want to see the whole haul. And then we have another handbag. Isn't this cute? This is a cute little handbag. So this is the second product, two of which was like some plaid shirts, and we got a dress and two more handbags. Which if you guys want to see everything from Nasty Gal, definitely check the new video. We're gonna move on to other products we got. So Viva Say by Red by Kiss, if you guys know, I've been working with them for a couple of months. I mean maybe 6 months now. I think so. When they send me another wig, so this is it. Right, it's not my favorite wig, so it's also synthetic. So if you guys want to see me install this wig, I did another install not too long ago from them, but I'll definitely do that and show you guys their products. So they do send me a wig like almost once a month now, but we're gonna move on. So one of the things I'm excited about is this company name Malise. I might be pronouncing it wrong. So they sent me this product. So they sent me this product, well, these products. You see the beautiful box. So we're gonna open it and show you guys. This is the beautiful box. Alright, so you got that beautiful card, and then you got the note side of it. I love me when a brand send me notes. So it says, welcome to the house of body. And they wrote my name. This is the first step on your journey to your best body yet. Our clinically proven formula are developed in-house using science, sass, and love. Our products are rigorously tested on women of all different shapes and sizes, skin concerns, which is why we are so sure you're gonna love your result. Don't forget to tag us. So obviously they send me a little note, right? And I love that. Which also says how to find them on Instagram and all that. The first product we got, which is Get Showy Body Cream Fresh. It's called Fresh Creme Fresh Pour le Corps. I love how they have it in French as well. I love the pink. Yes, this. Ooh, this is pink. I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit. Ooh. It does smell good though. It's pink. This is nice. I like it. Well, it's right at the top, so it might just start leaking. So, but it does smell good. If you guys want to see a whole react video, so this is gonna be next on set video. So stay tuned for that. Moving on, we have this right here, which is the Get Peachy Booty Scrub, and it says it in French as well. So this is a mask, emotion, whatever you want to call it, for your booty. So massages, and then it's a massage treatment that help to exfoliate, help dry impurities on black pores, leaving your skin looking and feeling silky smooth. So that's this. And the last product we got from them is in this plastic. I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't want it to spill or anything. So it's just this here. That's it. So this is the Get Extra Root Shower Gel. This is a shower oil, right? So I'm excited to try this out. I want to thank you to Malise for sending me these products. We're gonna move on to the next item. Okay, so now back to Red by Kiss company. They also sent me another one of this. I feel like I have too many of this stuff. So this is the 100% boar bristle brush. So keeps bristles clean protective case, and it's an edge fixture as well. And the edge fixture is in here, so it has the edge control in there, and it comes like it has an application one and it takes the brush, as you guys see right here. And this is the hold level on this. It says number 7. We're definitely gonna try this out. So can you guys see what the back says? This is the hold level number 7, and this is what that is. So I'm excited, and it comes with red by Kiss on top. So definitely need to check this out. And it says very, very cherry. I don't know what that means, but we'll see. Alright, so Red by Kiss also sent me this. And this is like number 10. I lost count. So this is their lace wig powder duo tinted, and this is the light brown version, number 4. You have 2 different shades in here to try out. It says Red by Kiss. This is beautiful. Like I own 7. When I say 7, hold up, I'll show you. And I've given away like a few. Look at this. These are the ones that I managed to keep because I'm giving away a few. So I have number 5, number 4. So technically I have 2, 4 in total now. And I love these products. I just don't wear enough lace front wig to keep using them and running out. And I also have other products that I use, but these are by far going viral now. It's a very, very nice product. So like Red by Kiss also send me a wig cap. They always send me a wig cap. So whenever they send me weaves, they always send me a wig cap. So this is the black color, as you can see, and it's very, very clear. So they're like transparent HD sheer type of wig caps, and they come in 2 different colors. Out on every single color at this point. I definitely own a few of the black, because this is a 3-pack, 2-pack actually. Sorry, I think it says, I thought it was 3, but it's a 2-pack. So each one is a 2-pack, right? So every time they sent me this, I end up with 2-pack each one of these. So these are very, very good. So another thing they sent me, and honestly they sent me another pack before, but I'm gonna wait till I have more to do a full test. So we're gonna see that. So this is one bundle. This is the Vivace G class, the most reliable and reasonable. So it says it's supposed to be 100% Remy human hair and 10A plus grade, color natural, and if this is a 14-inch. So I'm like, what's the other 2 bundles? At least send me 2 bundles. So I don't know why they only send 1. What am I gonna do with 1 bundle? But this is what hair looks like. So this one is in the color natural. This is definitely not gonna work for my hair color. Look at this. My hair is like 1B black. So this is cool. It does feel nice in the hand, but it feels smooth. Let's see if it sheds. It's not really shedding, but I wish they had sent me like 2 bundles at least, you know. But it is what it is. So this is nice. This is different. So we're waiting. Red by Kiss, if you're watching, I'm waiting for the next bundle. So let's make it 2 bundles, and then we'll be alright. Alright, so the next product we got is by Darling. It's a company, clothing company that I've been working with for a very long time. So these are 2 pieces that I picked. Their clothes is like high quality and costly, but it's a good thing I don't pay for it. Like I was saying, their clothes is pretty expensive. So I think these 2 pieces are like $300 in total. So, but like I said, I didn't pay for it, so why not? So I love this. One thing they send you a little card as well. I want to see what the card says. Like I said, I love me a card. It says, "Darling, we have been reminding all men." This is a sort of cute little note. It says thank you. Comes in an envelope as well. Tells you what to tag as well. We're gonna keep this because that's important. So I'll definitely put some pictures below. I'm excited because I can pick these pieces myself, and I'm gonna definitely do a picture post, so that's gonna be on Instagram. First piece, there's a great turtleneck. Alright, has some buttons on here, buttons, and then gosh, yeah, this feels super smooth. I feel like it might be slightly see-through, but super smooth. And I got this in the size. So this is in the size medium. I'll post a picture above so you guys can see. I forgot how much this cost. I think it was in the $60 range, something like that. And then the other one is a dress in black pants. You can never have enough of those. This is it. Ow, they fit. Well, I'm not worried about the top, but I hope the pants fit. The pants was the most expensive thing. It was more expensive than the top. So, but I don't remember the exact price. I think they both add together $200-300. That's how much they give you per month. So that's what I think. So this, I am excited to make this look, and you guys will definitely see it on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on there. But guys, the next and final product is my favorite this month, right? So look at the box. This is a big, heavy box. So your heavy box, but I love it. Okay, guys, I'm trying not to drop it because it's gonna be a disaster if I drop this. This is what it is. This is by Mission Cocktails. So this is like 3 of their cocktail type. We have the margarita. I'm gonna try to take them out and show you guys. Okay, so this is the first one. We have the Mission Craft Cocktail Margarita. So it says Mission Craft Cocktails was founded on the belief that we could do better. We believe that we can make a better cocktail for a better world, one drink and one community at a time. So basically, this is nice. So I like this bottle. So it says this is 25% alcohol. Okay. It says it's made reed tequila, just as a margarita should be. There's 3 flavors to try from. After the margarita, we have the Cosmopolitan. I like this one. This one looks nice. It's also 25% alcohol. It's the same thing. This is made out of premium vodka. So this is gonna be nice. Refreshly serve, chill. So this is nice, right? So the next one we got. So the next one is Mai Tai. I know I'm pronouncing this shit wrong. It's Caribbean rum, locally sourced handcraft or I don't know what that is. An orange liquor. 25% alcohol with warm breeze and bare feet. Interesting. So these are also made in California. So I'm excited to taste this out. So I'm not a big alcohol person, but from time to time, you know, why not? But I'm excited to test this out. You guys can see Mission Craft. And then this size are so cute and adorable. So these are the 3 flavors that they sent me in this nice little box. Just to die. This is the last one. And there's some stuff in my here, which I'm not gonna read the whole thing. But this is one nice PR box. Thank you, Mission Cocktails, for sending me these cocktails. I can't wait to try them. So if you guys enjoy a video like this, definitely leave a comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.